So this is the live stream here, live stream 18 on NQ, coming into these lows. Level that we're looking at here to the downside is of course at 965 again. Seeing that selling here, looks like we're going to take
Order
short.
submitted.
Looks like we'll take out the lows. Possibility of us finding support there. What we're seeing now, prices head towards the 18,040. Counted some resistance there, pulled back, retested the moving average ribbon here. So just looking for this move down.
Target filled. Order
Target
filled.
hit right there on was a trading 5 contracts. So there we are on 5 contracts. And oh, that 965 does hit. Okay, could have definitely held, but I was looking for that move through. Today, one of the adjustments I did say I was going to make, I was going to use that 30-second chart, and but we've come in, saw the opportunity as soon as we loaded the charts and started the stream, so we went short, and I definitely could have got that 65. Oh well. So we just jumped in, and that was only based on what we saw in terms of price action. It wasn't based on 300F, it wasn't based on 3CS, 300F or 3CS. It wasn't based on those two systems that I've been using. So I've not even had a true look at the market. Only had a brief look here. Let's see what happened. Let's see here. I think my laptop might be charged, so I'm just going to plug it out. Oh wow. Oh wow. There was a dart level right there at 71. So why is my screen so dark? Is that it? Yeah. So the maximum brightness. So there was a dart level at 71. I got out at 76 and some change there. Where did I get out? Let's have a look. 76, 75. But there was a dart level down at 71, slightly above that 65, and seeing prices pull back from there. Strong move. Like I said yesterday, with the volatility in 1 minute candle, the entire range between dart levels has been taken up, because with this wick and this bullish candle here, which is wow, the entire range to the next dart level has been taken up, so the prices would have hit the dart level to the upside here. Let's see where we are. Dart level to the upside is seen at about 94.50. Our high is at 93.75. So there is, it's too late now. There we go, 94.50 just been hit. Previous high was around 93.75, so 93.75. So I suppose there was a possibility of getting in as we pulled back for that move up towards that 94.50, but we've hit 94.50 now, so that dart level cat reverse counter trend move right there would have been hit, but there wasn't really a setup for it. There wasn't a 3CS on it, there wasn't a revolver setup on it, so there definitely wasn't anything there. Let's see here. So we're up positive on the day already, so now do we quit trading? That's the question. Do we quit? What's going on there? Do we quit? We just come into the market, a couple of seconds. Fairly good, decent P&L right there. Do we quit? Now, I suppose the video will be 4 minutes long, but let's just have a look at this market here. So we didn't even come in and look at the calendar. So at present, NQ, what's with NQ? NQ is up 85 points from the close yesterday, currently where we are. VIX is down in the negative zone, not super extended negative, but VIX is negative. Let's have a look at the VIX chart here. Where's the VIX chart? Can't seem to find my VIX chart. Where is my VIX chart? There it is. So with VIX, okay, interesting. So with VIX, okay, we must have had some news here at 8:30 Eastern Standard Time, because we've seen this big volatility. Before that, VIX was in a sell zone. Strong move at 8:30, take us all the way into the buy zone. Pulling back a little bit here. Yeah, so we're still in the buy zone, but we're pulling back a little bit. And the pullback in the buy zone is what we've seen with this pullback here in prices. Prices continue to reverse here. Okay, interesting, about a point or so off the 965 level. Interesting. Still have highs, lower highs, slightly higher high, slightly higher high again, bit of a double top, reverse, 3 candles, false breakout, 3 candle bear, reverse, take out the lows. Interesting. We've come in towards this moving average ribbon. Seem to be encountering some difficulties around this area that we previously encountered difficulty for the sell-off. There we are at 8:30 Eastern Standard Time. Big move up. As we mentioned, it was replicated in the VIX from the 68.50 level that we hit after the market officially closed yesterday. So we came from there through 896.50, I believe it is, around 896.50, through 965 and the 840s, 18,040s, consolidated a bit before there, pulled back, came up, came pretty close to a retest, just about 2 or so points beneath a retest, and to sell back off beneath the moving average ribbon here. So we've had news, prices come up, and not seeing the extension at the moment. We are seeing a bit of a pullback as these areas are retested to possibly see if the strength of the bulls will hold. We'll see if we can hold above here. Of course, if we fail at that 965, probably going to see a whole move all the way down back towards the where it opened. Definitely be looking at the 896 there if we fail at that 65. So stay patient here. Looking like a bit of a bull flag here. Yeah, that looks like a bull flag right there. Interesting. Let's see where we are. Pulling back a little bit. Would be going long inside of the moving average here. Inside of the moving average ribbon. We've had one candle of pullback. Seeing this bullish move here. You know what? Let's see. Let's see here. I'm just going to stay away. So now we've actually opened the day. I suppose now is possibly time to disclose that we're on the 250 eval again. Remember the last time I showed it, we actually lost all our accounts. Went into a bit of a tailspin, so we didn't show it at the start of the stream here, so just show it now. As we can see, slowly building that back. Still early days. I think I'm 2 days in at the moment. I believe 2 days in. There's our main account which we're using for the streaming here, but we called the 300F account. So we call this 300F account. So that's that one there. Here is our 250k. So it's a long way away, from passing. And this one, interesting. It requires about the same amount to pass both, actually. This requires about 13, and this requires about 13. So that's interesting. I suppose from the trade performance here, there isn't really much. I can do in terms of the trade performance, because as we can see, we just took one trade, one winner. No, I suppose I have to take off the evaluation account off. Let's take the evaluation account off. All we did was take one trade, which was winner, and as you can see, 100%. Total trades 2. Okay, so 1 buy, 1 sell. Average trade, average winner. No losers, 100%, 99 profit factor. Like I said, there isn't really much we can read into this. There we are. Went in 5 contracts, came out 5 contracts. Here at 11 Eastern Standard Time. There's the equity curve. So there isn't really much at the moment. I'm thinking of whether I should stop. Definitely. Oh, interesting. So price came into 71. So now I'm seeing that we had the 200 period moving average just there, sitting around 82. So we came below, closed, and wow, this looks very bullish.
Order filled.
Looking for this continuation here to the upside. Looking for a move up to, where is that? 1775. Let's see what we got here. 17. Was it 18,000? 1725. So 18,000, 1725. That's where the level is. Looking for that continuation up towards that level. Oh goodness me. I should just follow through towards that level. I'm just going to put my stop at the lows here. That move up should have taken us up towards the level. Not sure why we pulled back. Not sure at all why we pulled back. Seems fairly obvious we should get towards that level. So that's the oh goodness me. seemed obvious, but let's look to the left. There isn't really anything to the left to suggest. Let's see, 10, 99, that's 11 points. Suppose we came into this moving average here. We're targeting 6 points, so risking 11 to make 6. It's not what we want to see here. Trying to be patient here. Really trying to be patient. But this strong bullish move closing above these highs, we should see follow through. I wonder if this market's trying to shake me out. If we close above that 10 level, we should get towards that 17. If we can close above the 10, which is my entry, we should get towards 17. What's going on here? Where did we close there? Looks like we closed on the level. Interesting. Why would this market not want to get towards 17.25? It seems pretty obvious. Is it too obvious? So the range would be down there at 94. I'm not sure if I want to risk all of that. Oh, goodness me. I'm just going to move my stop. Who knows? These could be some fateful last words. Look at the risk reward now. Look how negative that is. That's pretty poor. So we've got 10 to 94, that's 16 points to make 6. That's really poor. 16 points to make 6. $16 points to make 6. That's not great. That's not great. That's not sustainable at all. You know, I was thinking prices came in towards that 200 period, traded below it, closed above it, looking for that bullish move back towards that 17.25. It's not quite at the highs. Thought that we would see the volatility bring us all the way up there, but doesn't seem to be the case at the moment. Let's draw our boxes on. So this seems to be the high of importance. Now that lower high there seems to be the important one. What's going on here? That's the reason I don't like chasing this candle. We look poised for the bullish move up. It's 10. We got up to 15. Now look at this pullback. Pulled back 10 points. Not quite taking out the lows. Look at this wick here. Oh no.
Order filled.
What the hell was this, man? Chased it, wasn't even a proper dart thing. Expecting price to get towards 17. Looked obvious. But nope. prices had other ideas. It was even a true setup. Now walking away in the first 5 minutes looked like would have been a great idea. Well, I probably should put my executions on. Those executions. I think our stop was down at 94. It's a dart level here. This lower dart level 94.25. Goodness me. So I was in at 10. Basically with 14 points. Goodness me. There we go. Interesting. Very interesting. Let's see, can we hold this 94? For that rotation up towards that 17 that we're looking for. I'm hoping that we don't see a okay, let's see where we close here. Let's see if we can close above 94 here. I'm going to go for 3 CS long if we can close above 94 here. Looking for 3 CS long, 14 seconds to go. Hoping that we don't lose more of the range. 4, 3, 2,
Order filled.
I'm long. Looking for a move up towards that 17.25 that we were looking at before. And this is a 3 CS trade off that dart level. This risk reward looks better. 17 points, risking 12. Let's see if we can get these 17 points. This market could of course sell, continue to sell. So we'll see if we can close back below the 94, or whether prices come flying down and hit my stop, who knows. This 3 CS is of course counter trend. We are below the moving average ribbon. Target is up to the upside, still have to break out above the previous highs. Seem to be having difficulties around that 20 period at the moment. Looks like we're about to be stopped out here. Yeah, looks like we're going to get stopped out.
Stop filled.
Yeah, stopped out. So selling came in off the 20 period. Coming in towards the 200 here. revolver setting up for a short. Let's see. 4, 3, 2, 1.
Order
Short.
filled.
Short on the revolver. Looking for a move down towards 71. Down to 71. Looking for a short down to 71, would require us to go through the 200 period here. Let's see where the stop is on this revolver. Let's see. Where's the stop here? Stops at 13. Stops at 13. Okay, looks about even on this. Looks about even on in terms of risk reward. Oh, come on. Am I really getting in an area that's going to just chop around? Take the long, get stopped out. Take the short. Imagine get stopped out again. Come on, seriously. Seriously. Let's just get down to 71, please. Price I haven't even tested the 200 periods in at 86. So back above 94. Let's see. Stops beyond the moving average ribbon. Pretty close towards these highs here. Again, targeting move towards these lows down towards that dot level at 71. Kind of makes you think, do we break 71 and continue down to 65? And do we hold there? So it's like 19 points. It makes you think, should we just simply, look at that, 71.
Target filled.
There we go, target hit. Target hit of 71. Wow. So the dot level hit at 71. You can see we recovered some of our losses there. Then we're looking at possibly 65. This may be the sell-off here, breaking these lows. Makes you think, doesn't it? Certainly makes you think. What's going on here? Let's see. 25 seconds to close. Where's the dot level here? Dot level is at 60. Oh wow, if we took a short, dot level will be at 60. Wow, and that's beyond the 965 level. Very big risk.
Order
Go
filled.
short. Looking for the target beyond the daily level here. This may be a bad decision at 65 because it's acted as support over the past couple of days. Oh my word, what sort of stop is that? 18,008. Goodness me. 18,008.50. Looking for that move through the support. Who knows, I may come to regret this. Looking for that move down towards probably should have been looking for a reversal, especially off that DCL level of 965. Okay, so 58 is actually where we're supposed to get out. 58. So we're short at 73.75, looking for 58, which is beyond that major DCL close level. So sell off, inverted hammer. We know how that's played out in the past. It's always resulted in reversals, especially if the next candle is bullish, which this one seems to be. Now, do I take it for a reversal, close this for a loss, and take it for a reversal for a target up there? Inverted hammer plus bullish candle for the reverse.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Okay, and usually my stop would have been there, and let's put our original target as a stop now, 58. In reality, if it's going to reverse off an inverted hammer, it shouldn't break these lows here. Imagine if that negative risk reward trade actually turned out to be the right thing. That moved down towards that 68, 58, sorry. That's not what we want to see. There certainly should not be a bearish candle. On a reversal, there should not be a bearish candle. All the candles should be bullish. Second bearish candle I'm getting out for a loss here. No, this isn't.
Order filled.
Yeah, this negative risk reward. See, there we go. Oh my word. Should have stuck with the original plan. Should have stuck with the original plan of that revolver short. Man, oh man. Should have stuck with the original plan of that revolver short. Let that inverted hammer trick me into going long. What? Goodness me. Wow. Inverted hammer. Plus bullish candle. We can see what we do here. So, 3CS reversal. Golly, man. Oh my word. That's me.
Order filled.
CS reversal. Who knows? Let's see what we do here. Just gonna put my stop down a little bit further here. What's the target here? The target is 801.50. 801.50. Looking at a 3 CS reversal. Let's see. And these reversals are not working at all. Well, we do have a catalyst at 8:30. Let's see.
Stop
Oh
filled.
my word. Wow. Look at this. This mark is going to reverse the entire thing. Oh wow. All the way down to the dart level below. So, these reversals are not working. Just having continuation. Okay. So this market should go down towards 892. If that's the case. Oh, sugar. Should have got in.
Order filled.
Missed the entry. Missed the entry on that short. The dart level here to the downside on this short. Eight, 9. So is that 17,000? 8, 9, 2, 75, 8, 9, 2, 75, 8, 9, 2, 75, right there. That's the far end of the range. So got in at a bad price, chasing a little bit here. Let's see where our stop should be. 892.75. 892.75. £10. Okay. Let's see, where is our stop here? Our stop is at, let's see, where's our stop here? Our stop is at, no way. Our stop is at 96? $96.25. 96.25. 96.25. There is a risk of prices, of course, coming down towards 96.50 and finding support. But targets at 92.75. There is that risk. I've seen that bullish candle here. I've seen this bullish candle from 97 all the way up to 22. Look at that. Wow. Look at the size of that candle. What was the range on this candle? I need to have a look at that. Unbelievable. Hold on. Escape to cancel. I'm not getting out. I'm not getting out on that candle, but gave up most of those gains. Let's see. What was the range on that candle? $32 points from the lows. Goodness me. 32 points from the lows. Wow. Wow. Question's gonna now be, why didn't you take profit? Why didn't you trade stop? It's definitely gonna be the question. So 3CS in a trending market doesn't seem to work, especially with the market catalyst. If I was using revolver, I would have got out at the previous level though anyway, so let's see. So we're down 31 points. Let's have a look. Oh, he's for real right now. So this is saying if I'm down 3k, that means 40 points from there, which would be 70, the account would be lost. So about 70, the account would be lost. If I was using a real account, at that point the account would be lost. What in the world is this? What in the world is this? Is this market seriously going to reverse? chase getting late. Now look at it. I know if I reverse this, it's gonna flipping turn around. I just know.
Order
Close out.
filled. Order filled.
So I'm long at 37, getting out at 07. No, the stop out was at 70 before. Stop out was at 70. So let's mark down the chart. If we were still holding short, the stop out would have been 70. If we were stubborn and still holding the short, stop out would have been 70. So we're at 39. We've realized minus 422. We get out at 70. So we're coming up to a dart level here, and the dart level is at 58. So, oh my goodness. Dart level's at 58. Just interacted with it. Just gone through it. To the upside, I'm looking at 802. Is it dart level 802, is it? 18,002. 18,002, 18,001, 51, 18,175. So we've closed above that dart level. Oh, battery's a bit low. Currently interacting with that 965 level. Previous support could act as resistance. Let's see what we do here. Where did we get to? We got to, let's see, where's the high? 966. 966. Close bearish here. I'm getting out. Close bearish off that level. I'm getting out. Looks like we're going to. Now we close bullish, so I guess I'm still holding. Still looking for that 18,175. Again, if we close bearish below this 965 here, I'm getting out. Again, that move up to 70. We moved up to 70, 25, 70, 75. 70, 70, 75. Let's see what we do here. There we go. So if we were still short, we come close to being auto liquidated right there. You know what? This market's pulling back a little bit too much there. A little bit too much for my liking. Hold on, do it close below 65 again? Don't like that shit.
Order
Get
filled.
I'm just gonna get out. I'm gonna get out. So, still down on the day. Still down on the day, so we've got that 65. Let's see. 65. Still can't close above it, it seems. Who knows, maybe this is the time. There we go. Going through it. I didn't quite close above it.
Order
It's gonna go
submitted.
short.
Order filled.
It's gonna go short right there. Just trying to play a resistance off that 65. There's that 70 that we're looking at taking profit. If we added difficulties. So looks like we're going to close above that 65 here. Okay, interesting. I was playing 3CS off that 65 level, but it looks like we're going to close above it, so
Order
Yeah.
filled.
for a loss, you can see. Market's reversing here to the upside. Could have been more patient, of course, but let's see what we're doing here. So we closed above it. Next level we're looking at. Got the 200 period seen at 78. Interesting. It's 74. Oh, there we go. All the way up to 78. No, 200 period. So it seems I got out early there. Definitely could have took that reversal. That's cost me. For some reason trying to short this, but increasing looks like that 105.75 is going to be coming into focus here. So a little bit of a wick there off that 200 period moving average. Let's see what we do here. Taking out at 78 through the 80s. Do seem poised to head towards the very next level, which is 91.
Order
Go
filled.
long. Looking for that move up to 91, which is the next DCL level. Oh no. What's happening here? Oh, come on. As soon as I get in, I'm just gonna get out. Oh,
Order filled.
1 point loss. Don't like that at all. Don't like that at all. I may take a 3CS short here. I don't know about these shorts off this 200 because all we've seen is buying here. I'm looking for a short back down to 65. Was this little washout here to the downside to get out the get some bears into the market, then trick them and flow to the upside. Oh well. So this is a strong move here. And let's get back in long for that move up to 91. Let's see what we do here. Getting through the other side of that moving average ribbon.
Order
It's going to go
filled.
long. Looking for that move up towards 91. So it's about 1-to-1 risk reward here. Oh, what is 91.50? That's a 1-to-1 risk reward. Oh, come on. Is it really going to sell off now? Jeez Louise. No, I'm just going to leave it. I'll leave my risk where it is. It's 2 points above that 65, but let's just leave it where it is. Let's see if we can get this 91. Was that 91.75? Okay, let's see if we do. Oh, interesting. We're about to get a long signal here. So let's see if we can get that before so
Order filled. Order
signal.
filled.
Let's target. So we've got a long signal there. Let's see if we can target that 18,001.75. 18,001.75. Let's do 50. Where's the stop here? 58. Stop here is at 58. Is it at 58? Yeah, 58. And the dart level's at 18,001. Let's see, dart level 18,001.55, so 01.75. There we go. Just looking at this, the risk reward's negative. Goodness me. $26 points. $17 points. So we're currently down 2,500. Do have a level sitting at 91 there. May try to double dip here. Okay, 93. Hold on. Let's go. Oh, sugar. Let's see if we can get taken out.
Target
Yep, there we
filled.
go. Oh my gosh. Ha. I was trying to let's talk about what I was trying to do. I was trying to get out at that both that 91, get back in at 84 for that move up towards that 801.75, but the market just went all the way up there. So getting out early actually cost me there. Actually cost me. My word, cost me quite a bit there. That really just cost me. Let's see. 99. Ah, that's too close. Ah, that's too close. Far too close. That's far too close. Far too close. Far too close. Rather than get 17 points. Goodness me. Let's see what I did right there. Let's have a look what I did right there. 93.75 from 84. Didn't even pick up 10 points. Goodness me. Did not even pick up 10 points. Did not pick up 10 points. Picked up about half of the profits. Okay. Let's see what we do here. 3CS hasn't been working all day, but let me just take it if it says so. Let me just take it. It's somewhat counter trend actually. Level to the upside being 40. Three CS. So that 3 CS will be off this dart level at that 0175. Let's see what we do here. Again, 3 CS, high volatility news related day. It's candle 2. Let's see what candle 3 does. Let's get ready to short this. Let's get ready to short this. Short it down towards 80. Let's see what happens here. 30 seconds to go. Again, we saw a very counter trend. We've had this move up, pull back. Looks like we're heading higher, but we'll take that 3 CS. This is all part of the learning process. We have a news related day. Let's see. 3, 2, 1.
Order filled.
So I'm now short. Looking for a move down to 79.75. Let's see. 79.75. There's our standard stop. But we're just gonna let's just go a bit above that. Our standard 12-point stop. You never know, prices may want to come up here, break the highs, trick some shorts in, and then reverse. So again, we're looking for that 79.75 here. Currently 87, so about 7 points away, 8 points away. This move down doesn't mean anything. I've seen plenty of these moves turn around and break higher, so see, we couldn't close below that 91. I need a close below 91 here. Especially on this 1 minute chart that we're using for a move down towards that 79.75. Let's see, 79.75. Just going to put an alert there. Let's see if we can, currently up 5 points. Looking for that 3CS to get us back towards that. So it's in towards that moving average ribbon here. Policy would probably say I should wait.
Target filled.
To see if we bounce off that level, but I'm just going to bank, because if we don't bounce off that level, we definitely could look for a move down towards 57.75. So, but we've taken our profit into these moving average ribbon here, rather than wait for the bounce off that level. So you can see slowly recovering these losses that we've accumulated. And let's see, 17 seconds away. So if we close above that 79.75 after the interaction, definitely we'll be looking to take profit. So 6 seconds, I'll be looking to take profit, probably just take profit right now. So about 3 points better off by using the take profit. Staying on the sidelines a little bit here. Seeing bullish move off that 79.75 here into that moving average ribbon. Seeing that follow through there. Interesting.
Order submitted.
So it's going to go long for a move back up towards that 801. Doesn't look like we're going to be filled here. Came into the moving average ribbon. Don't look like we're going to be filled.
Order filled.
There we are, we're filled. I'm looking for that move up towards that 801. 801.50 is it? Yeah. So it's about 1-to-1 risk reward here. Again, seeing the prices coming towards the moving average ribbon. Bullishness out of it. Out of that 79.75. Stops down there. I think I'll just keep it where it is rather than at these lows. Look to see prices retest that 01.50 there. Who knows? We could see a lower high. And selling. Did say that 91 potential resistance, even though it's not proven itself important recently. 12 points. If we get that 12 points, we're going to nearly be back at equity highs. If we get it. Strong if this market's not making it easy on me. This wasn't even a strategy. This was just simply the pullback towards the moving average ribbon with this concentration of moving averages and deciding to get out, to get in. See, in reality, this is supposed to just push all the way up and get the target. but instead we're encountering difficulties here. We close below this 86, I'll just get out for a loss. So close below this bullish candle, I'll get out for a loss. That's if we don't get stopped out. 30 seconds to go. $23 seconds to go. Let's just mark that level on the chart. We close below this level here, gain out. Simple as that. Close below 86. And I don't get stopped out, I'm gonna get out. It's that simple. No point just hanging around. A move up like this should just follow through, especially with the volatility we have, especially with this volatility we've seen. So close below the 86, I'm getting out. See, we're still having difficulties here. Oh goodness me, what is Ninja Trader? So let's see, is it that way? No. How do we toggle these charts correctly? $96.50, $96.75. Goodness me, we're coming into the HL. Coming into these highs just here at 97. Encountered some minor difficulties. Fruit Loops. Hoping we can break out from those highs. Goodness me, man. Just don't put in a lower high. Come on. Not there of all places. Come on, we've had to move up, pull back, move up. Should get to it. Why would there be a massive selling here of all places? Let's look left. There isn't. If we were up at 11, I could understand it, but not here. Here we should just follow through towards that 18,150. We've had a pullback. Again, come down to 86 and getting out. I'm in at 89, close below 86, getting out, stop at 77. This market's hanging around far too much here. 97, there we go. So with a break of that 97, I want to see quick momentum here through the 18,000s, quick spike to that 18,002 or something. Quick spike. Don't want to see like us sell off into a wicky, topping tail candle. Good strong close there. Let's just see a break of the highs immediately, not pull back. Damn, we gapped down at the open of this candle, so that's not good. It's not good at all. Goodness me. Do adjustment stop to break even in order to protect the trade so it doesn't come back against me, or do I just respect the trade and allow it to play itself out, getting out if it get below 86, around at 86.50. Flipping sellers are coming back in. Goodness me. This could double top at any point. Flipping out, look at the size of that bearish candle. finger on the close button.
Order filled.
Just gain out. I know we didn't close below the 8650, but I don't like how it's moving. Don't like that at all. So we'll just get out for a loss. Let's get out for a loss. Price have come in towards that 20 period. So we're long there at 89. Got up to 99, so that's 10 points. Oh wow. I wasn't aware of that. I was up 10 points. Okay, interesting. Very interesting. You know what? Let's just wait for true setups. Let's just wait for true setups. Just took a loss there. We're up 10 points. Yeah, we're up 10 points. Are we really gonna come down, test the 20 period and then bounce to new highs? Increasingly looking bullish here. Again, if we looked at the short, see? There we go. With that move there, those
Order filled.
It's just got long. Seeing that spike in volume there. Should see that follow through to the upside here. Where are we long? 97. Let's target 07. Let's see. Targeting 07, which is beyond the dart level, which is somewhat dangerous. Just seen a revolver bullish candle. That's what we just got in on. Let's see. What's the stop on this? 85.25. 85.25. Again, 85.25. We're in at 97. 97 plus 99, so it's 09. 09 would be equal 1-to-1 risk-reward ratio. Again, we got to be aware of the dart level. The dart level being at 0150, 0175. So actually looking for this market to break up both these highs based on this revolver signal. Saw that strong move up, quick move up. Saw the revolver signal. Looking to see follow through. Not what we want to see here. Certainly not what we want to see. This market should have just carried on and broke out to the upside here. The fact that it's stalling doesn't give me confidence. You know what? If we see a second bearish candle beneath our entry, we're getting out. It's that simple. Let's see what the lows are. 91. Okay. So if that's 91, let's do 90. Let's get out at 90. Because that should have just followed through to the upside. The fact that we encountered resistance again, especially after having the volume come in at that level.
Stop
Yeah,
filled.
there we go. Got stopped out. Building back the loss here.
Order
Just gonna go
submitted.
short.
Order filled.
The struggles of the buyers right there to go higher, countering that resistance. Again, not gonna film with confidence. Looking for that move down towards that 79, 75 again. Where we're short 80, 88.25. Let's go down to 88. Let's target 10 points there. Let's put our stop above the high, slightly negative risk reward. The pace and momentum. Let's see, looking at 65, so take it above 65. Let's go 70. Let's go 70. Let's see what we do here. Should just follow through. It's not what we want to see. Oh goodness me. Was that a bear trap I was just trapped in now? See where we close here. 19 seconds to close. Ah, goodness me. Wow. Oh, 76.50 was a lows. Let's do 75.25. So if you're long off here, we'd probably target the highs. Highs being around 04. So, we'll see how this plays out here. Let's see if this short plays out. Again, this move higher failed multiple times. Looking for this move down towards 75. Let's see if he comes and gets these stops, these balls out of there. Or if he gets the stops of the bears. But this bullish candle failing to go higher. This revolver signal failing to go higher, encountering resistance. Yeah, that's the reason I'm looking to go short. Encountering resistance below the dart level at 150, well 175, and it's about 50, above 50, so 175. Let's just see if we retest these lows and break them. So broke that 79.50 there. Previously somewhere was looking to take profit. Let's see if we can take these lows out. 76, 75. Oh goodness me, buying's coming off that. Oh goodness me, off 79, 75. Oh my word. Dilemma now. Do we take the trade off with the buying that we saw? Got the 200 period sitting there as well. Seeing buying come off that 79.75 again. And that 200 period. So again, I'm holding. Let's go with 70. 70.25. Let's see what we do here. Let's see if we break these lows and head down to 70.25. So looking to get out 5 points above the DCR level of 65. Some riskier, we've already seen. We could have took profit there at 79, didn't take it. Price has bought yourself back up. I'm looking to see whether these are just weak buys, so that's why I'm holding short. The actual short level to the downside, that the level is actually down at 58. The dart level is down at 58, so we broke the lows there. Okay, there we
Target filled.
go. There we go. So the level is actually down at 58. That's where that dart level is. Okay, I'm about to see a revolver short. And will I take it? If we take the revolver short here, oh my goodness, revolver short, 3, 2, 1.
Order
Short.
filled.
Taking that revolver short, and that revolver short resolves itself 58. So it's beyond that 65 level. Definitely risky. 801 is a stop. Oh my word. That's such a negative risk reward. Wow. Wow. So what should we use as the get out here? Do we say 2 bulls above entry? I'd probably say so. 2 bullish candle above entry. I'd say so. Looks like we're gonna have to get out. We're not gonna hold to this stop, I know that. Let's see. Let's see what we do here. It's looking for that immediate follow through, but we saw this strong bullish candidate. Let's see what we do here. 2 bullish candle above entry. Again, it's not part of this strategy, but I'm getting out because it just means I lost in momentum. Look at this, 15 seconds to go. Okay, this is a complete reversal, isn't it?
Order filled.
Goodness me. Two bullish candles decided to get out. So this revolver signal did not resolve itself. Look at that, that candle actually closed above the open of the signal candle. Interesting. Let's see what we do here. Let's see what we do here. Oh wow. Where was I? Am I being for real? Why the hell did I not take the profits at 12.75? Goodness me. What charts was I looking at? Flipping. Oh my bloody word. I didn't... Shh. So if we go long, okay, interesting. Interesting.
Order
buying
filled.
coming. So I'm going to go long. I'm looking for a move up towards, is that 95.25? Yeah, 95.25. Looking for a move up towards 95.25. Not a true setup, but just based on the bullishness we saw coming out here, thought we could see a move back up towards the highs. I'm not going to move this stop down to the lows, keep it at 12 points. If we get stopped out, we get stopped out, so be it. This failure.
Order filled.
Whatever seems obvious is not obvious. We need to just stick to our systems here. This here did a doozy on me. Now I've done this long. Market's just chopping around here. We're just chopping around to the downside here. Made new lows, we got our lows, lower low. Reality, we should be heading even lower. In reality, made new lows.
Order submitted.
Resistance.
Order filled.
Let's see if we make higher highs. So we've got our lows, got a lower low. Let's see if we make a third lower low here. That's why I'm going short. Let's see if we get down to 65 as well. Maybe beyond 65, we're looking at this area here at 38. Those inverted hammers again. Let's see if we can take out the lows. Goodness me, these inverted hammers. You know what? difference. Would be a small risk. Go, let's see, 78. Let's see. Now we do have the potential to bounce off here and reverse. That's 65. There is a potential there. If we do get through, looking for that 39.50. This market could still obviously turn around and hit my stop. Now if this goes down, it would have looked like definitely should have stayed in that short, but move down to 50. 50 is the actual level, so that's 50 is a dart level here, short side dart level. Come on. Oh, come on. Looks like I'm going to be stopped out again. What's with all these stop outs, man? Now it's broke those highs. Goodness me.
Stop filled.
I'm being stopped out.
Order
Roll the
submitted.
signal long.
Order filled.
There we go. And I'm not going to just target the $75.50. Well, I'm not going to target the I'm not going to target the dart level immediately above, as that's only sitting at 95.25. Instead, I'm going to target the level above that, all the way up at 18.25. 18.25. So there we are. Stops at 75.50, targets at 18.25. And I'm just going to hold this trade, and I'm going to go into mute, and either I'm going to be in profit or I'll get another stop out. We'll see. We will see. Let's see. Make sure my stop's in the right place. $75.25. 75.25. Oh wow. So now 91 wants to act as. Oh great. Absolutely fantastic this is. So we're in about 90, so it's about 28 points. Yep, 73 points on the day. Dart levels at 18.25. Let's just move this up to slightly below 40. Let's go to 38. Let's see what we do here. Can we get 18,038? $91 is acting as resistance again. Goodness me. No, what? Let's go with back. Let's just stick to 18.25. 18.25. What's VIX doing? VIX is in the buy zone. Well, we can't seem to break out this range we've been in. Looks like we're going to get stopped out here. So we're in this range. So do we place our stop outside of the range in order to allow it enough room to operate the way we need it to? That's a question. Let's see. Extended range here to the upside is 18,064. 18,064. That's the extended range here. This range, I just add in volume to do either a big breakout to the upside or a big breakdown. That's all this range is. It's just loading up positions. But are we going to see a breakdown, false breakdown before the break up? So we're down 30 points. So 40 points. I'm just going to go on mute and leave this to run. I'll leave this to run here. So we're at the 18 dot level, and you can see we're nearly flat here. 0.2 minds whether to target the 40s here, or if we see a bearish candle off the 18s, get out and reset. Looks like we're going to get a dot bearish candle off the dot level here. "40 seconds to go." "16 seconds to go here. Looks like we're going to have to get out. Do we close above? 3 seconds. No, we closed above, so we have to wait. Where are we? Okay, so we just went positive at 20, so a move up towards that 38. Should bring us positive. So moving it down from 64. Again, looking for that move through that 18. We got to 23 there. Where's the low here? Lows at 18. You know what? Let's just keep some of this. Let's keep some of this profit. We're not going to try to give up too much. Maybe this is too aggressive. Maybe this is too aggressive. Maybe I'll get stopped out, but I'm not trying to, especially after digging myself a hole, give up too much profit here.
Stop
And we're
filled.
stopped out. Nearly flat. Nearly flat on the day. So, could have been flat, but so be it. Market looks bullish here, but probably should just take a break. I may have to end the day red. How far are we in? With 1 hour 58 minutes into the live stream, so let's see what we do here. There we go, there's the break there.
Order
It's gonna go
submitted.
long.
Order filled.
So we just saw a revolver candle here. We're gonna go long. We're gonna risk 12 points to make 12 points, so we'll see. We do have the key level sitting at 39, well 40. So we're looking to take profit before that. We'll see if we false break out here and get stopped out, or whether our target will be hit at 35. What is that, 35.25? Let's see. Really don't want to see a false break out here, especially after battling back so much today. So many hard battles today, my word. $28, $30, 5 points away. Really want to see that, what was that, 5 points, less than 4 points. Goodness me. I really need this to get towards that 35.25 here and not stall at 30. Looks like it's going to stall at 30. Good strong close there. But, you know, we've seen these sort of things where we've had a good strong close and then the very next candle is bearish. It just seems like that's like a blow off, and then we have a bearish candle and the market sells off. So stay patient here. Looking for that 35.25. Where's our highs here? Our highs at 30, 31.50 or so. Let's see if we break those highs. Let's see, 30.75, 31.25. Let's go with 31.50. Let's see if we can get 31.50 here. So we just broke the highs by a tick there. Looking for follow through. Really don't want to see us My gosh, we close off the highs. Goodness me. Broke the highs by a tick and closed away from it. What are the new highs? 31.75. Goodness me, one tick. It seems like it's going to be a really hard fight here. I'm going to place an alert at 32.25. That was hit. And again, he's pulled back. Goodness me. I'm looking for 35.25 here. What is that? Oh, it's a volatility alert. Jeez Louise. Usually with these volatility alerts, you get one, the market reverses. We're at 32. 3 points from my target. Trying to stay patient here. Hold on, what is that? Oh no, what's that? 1, 2, 3. 3 bearish candles. This is going to be the fourth. What in the world? This is going to be the fourth. 20 seconds to go. You know what? Four seconds to go. I'm going to put my stop at break even. It's taking, that's just 5 minutes of straight pullback bearishness, so if it comes down, stops me out and goes on to hit the target, then so be it. But that move up should have just got that 35.25. We got to 35 just then.
Target
and
filled.
the target was hit. So, target was finally hit. And there's that move up to 40. So, there we are. Price is pulled back and finally broke out above 40. Did say 64 to the upside, but with this gain, we're just going to be happy to bank, especially after the difficulties we've had today. So we'll close the stream off. Slowly building back. We'll have a look at our trade performance. So with our trade performance here, you see our high was at 11.71, and we're not going to beat it quite there. We're still below, but as you can see, with a big drawdown, pulled all the way back positive, another drawdown, big drawdown, and then we've gone back positive. So still got work to do. If we go to our summary page, you can see here churned out a lot of contracts. Profit factor very positive. Accuracy about 50%. Average winner almost the same size as the average loser. Pretty close, which is okay. Ideally want to see that bigger. Largest win bigger than the largest loss, and that was primarily because of this this long here that I decided to hold beyond 18. Oh, did I hold? No. Beyond 18. Did I get out? No, I got out around 18. I trailed aggressively, got out, got back in, and was able to hit target there. So the trade I held longer paid for most of the gains. And with that, we are done for the day. So if you've watched the video, thanks for watching. Think about liking, and also think about